everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Ipsy bag challenge. This is for the month of April, and I'm just super excited because every single month they send me very awesome things, and their stuff are usually like different, you know, you don't really see them in the store as much, but it's something nice and different to add to your collection because you get to try different brands. So I definitely recommend them if you have it, and it's only $10 a month. It's super cheap. But yeah, so let's jump right into it. This is super cute. I just love this. If you guys can see this, it's lavender and it has like a rose gold color right here with like little, you know, little butterflies and stuff. It's super cute. I love it. But yeah, I'll definitely be adding this into my bag in case I need to like put on like, you know, put some lip gloss or something in here, or you know, a compact mirror. This would be super perfect for that. So the first thing that I have here is some Hem's Pure Herbal Extract. So this is like a picture of a weed cannabis, and I guess let's look at the details. It's 100% pure natural hemp seed oil, which is super cool. It's 100% vegan, THC free, so you won't get high off of this. What's that? Which I like. This is super cute, and it's a lot. This is like 0.4 ounces. Let me just try it on really quick. I already have like a lip balm on my lips, so like a color lip balm, but I'm just gonna apply it on top. It has no color, but there's not really much of a shine. It smells so good, and it tastes like candy. But guys, it's not to eat, so it's like clear, and it's not really much of a shine, but it's like a cute simple shine, which I love it. But yeah, this can definitely do. This is really nice. And then they sent me another brush, and this is a tapered blending brush from bagushes.com, which is pretty nice. It's like super cool. So if you look at this brush here, this is not a bad brush at all. I pretty much love it, so it's not bad at all. This is nice. And then I also have a Laboratories Fulgora Paris Mescal mask. This is super cute. So this could probably last me about 2 uses, if you guys can look at that. And I think the purpose of this mask is to soothing radiance mask. So this is perfect. I love different masks that I can actually put on my face because it helps keep my skin clear, you know, when I apply makeup on it. And it's better when you don't have any marks or bumps on your skin. So it's always great to keep your skin moisturized, and always, you know, weekly facials and things like that and such. So if you can do one of these at home, this is also very cheaper and inexpensive route than actually going to the spa. So that's super cool. Then I see here, this is Afra Cosmetic Laboratories. This is a blush. I mean, I think I have this color, but this is really awesome. And it's a lot too. So if I open it, it's definitely, yeah, this is pretty good size. This is the one that you actually put into like a kit, into a palette for you. So this is really nice. I'm glad that they sent this like that and not like in a like a packet or in a plastic or anything like that. You can add this to a palette. So that, I said, is super nice. And the color is nice as well. It rubs straight on, so you guys can see. I love that. Yeah, it's a nice blush. Yeah, that's a nice blush. I mean, if it's blended out really nice, it looks kind of ashy on my hand, but I think if I blend it out really nice, it won't be so bad. Or yeah, it won't be so bad. I'm gonna try it though, because you never know. And then last, I have another shimmer, which usually, I'm not gonna lie, I always get a shimmer in my box. In my bags, I always get like something shiny or like, you know, shimmer. But it's good though because you get to add the highlights, so I'm gonna have highlights for days. So I mean, I can never have, you know, enough, so that's great. So this one is from Meech and Mia. I've never heard of them. I've never heard of any of these companies, and again, this video is not sponsored. The color is different. I usually get like a rosy gold color or like a really goldish color, but this is more of a bronze, so this is actually not bad at all. So I really like this. So let me try to open it. Alright guys, so after about 20 minutes, I finally got this open on my super long nails. Let's go ahead and try it. If I just dab it on my hands right here, ooh, this is really nice. It comes out, ooh, wow, this is very nice. Now, I'm not gonna lie, 2 small little lumps, okay? two small little lumps just went on my hand, and I was just able to rub it. Look at that glow. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. The color is definitely gold, okay? This is so freaking nice. Let me just try it on my face. I don't want to mess up my makeup. Oh god. I just messed up. It's definitely like a very goldish color. All right, guys, how do you guys like that? I love this. I mean, I think I put too much on. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, but I absolutely love it. I mean, I have to like blend it out and whatnot, but put some on my eyes. This is really freaking nice. I love it. So yeah, again guys, that is Michi and Mia. The color is so pigmented. I mean, I've never seen one really so pigmented. I like two little dots just literally went on my hand and all of that came off. So that is a lot. And like with summer coming up, you can make like your own shimmers and stuff like that, especially if you're going to the beach or whatever and you want to have that glow, you know. This is definitely a must if you want to like go out in the sun to the beach and you want to just glow in the sun. This right here is definitely it. But yeah, this is super nice. I really love all the stuff this month. So I can't wait to come back again to show you guys another video. I hope that you guys like this video. Leave below in the comments what kind of videos you guys want, and I'll be happy to keep on making these videos like this. I'm so sorry it took so long to actually make this video, but yeah. Just keep looking out. More videos will be coming soon. I'll be posting a lot more videos, but I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.